Huh?
He wants you to go do autographs?
Yeah, we'll have to practice. Yeah. Yeah.
First moto got a great start, ended up winning that one, and then second one, mediocre start, failed the first lap and charged back up, ended up getting fifth that moto, got third overall. So first podium for me. I'm stoked, you know, now I know how much, like, it's a little bit easier than I thought it would be, to be honest, so I'm pumped.
It was a good weekend. We were really close to getting the overall, but not quite enough. I was really happy with our first moto this weekend. It was our best first moto of the year that we've had. I was able to make passes and push through the guys, so that was nice. And then Moto 2 was really close to, you know, getting that overall, and had a couple of pass attempts with Kenny, but couldn't make anything stick and finish with the pass. So, like I said, we put up a great fight, but just not quite enough this weekend.